And if you're commuting tonight or tomorrow during this winter storm, a reminder to make sure that you are not driving on low fuel. 22 News spoke with AAA Northeast. They told us drivers should take advantage of filling up their tank, coolant, and even windshield fluid before the storm hits. This is to make sure that you are not filling up on those fluids when it's cold and snowing. In addition to that, driving on low fuel often can overheat the fuel pump inside your car, which could be costly to repair.
The more weight you can put inside your vehicle, that gas actually is going to put more weight on the ground, and that can help with traction. That can be beneficial when you're driving in an inch or two of snow.
Local drivers were listening to that advice earlier this evening. This is a gas station in Chicopee that actually ran out of regular gas. That gas station told us, however, that they will have it by tomorrow.